Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put data in ZArchiver on Android. First, open the ZArchiver application on your device. Navigate to the location where your desired data files are stored. This could be your Downloads folder or any other directory. Identify the specific files or folders you wish to move or copy into an application's data directory. This initial step is crucial for preparing your transfer. The primary challenge on Android 13 is granting ZArchiver the necessary permissions for the Android data or OBB folders. When you attempt to access these directories, ZArchiver will prompt you to grant special access. Tap Use this folder and then Allow to confirm. This one-time permission is vital, enabling the app to manage files within these restricted system areas, ensuring your data can be placed correctly. Once permissions are set, select the files or folders you want to transfer. Long press on an item to bring up the context menu, then choose either Copy or Cut. Navigate to the target applications folder, typically found within Android/Data or Android/OB. Tap the Paste icon, usually a clipboard, to complete the transfer. This action moves your selected data into its new location. After pasting, always verify the data is present in the destination folder. If the target application doesn't recognize the new data, try restarting the app or even your device. Double-check ZArchiver's permissions to ensure they haven't been revoked. Also, confirm you are using the latest version of ZArchiver, as updates often address compatibility issues with newer Android versions. These steps help ensure a smooth data integration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.